The next thing you're going to do is add the Donnie Darko title text. And before we do that, we'll just check the layers that we have going on now because it's starting to build up and you don't want to get confused. So in order to rename the layers, you need to click on them. So double click, and then we've obviously got the background layer, and then you've also got the rabbit image. It's important to maintain organisation, especially when you're working with multiple layers. You can actually group them into folders, but that's something I'll show you in another tutorial later on. So to add the text, you need to come over to your toolbar and select obviously the T tool. Okay, the shortcut key is Command T. Then you're going to literally draw the area that you want the text to be in. So don't just type it, because if I show you actually, if you literally just click and then start typing, okay, that will literally type all the way off the page. So you want to maintain control over where you're going to type. I'm just going to delete those layers there, okay, and I'm going to add the text back in. Now the text or the font typography, I use lots of different terms, that you want to use is Trajan, not sure how to say it, Trajan. So you need to scroll down to T and find Trajan. Once you've done that, you're obviously going to type in Donnie Darko. So in here, type in Donnie Darko, and as you can see, it's far too small. So if you click Command A and then come up to the T tool, and instead of going through all the numbers individually, you can literally hover over the top and then just drag the bar to the right until you've got the size that you are happy with. Okay, so that's there, 172, that's good to me. And I need to make sure that you can actually see my font, and it appears that my font is actually black, so I need to make sure I've changed the colour at the top here. And I'm going to drag that to white, okay, and then my Donnie Darko text is appearing. So then I can move this around. If I go to Command V, T tool, if you select auto select as well, it will automatically try and detect which layer you want to use. So now we've added in our Donnie Darko. We then need to obviously scale it to make sure it's the right size. So actually this one follows over 2 lines. So if I come back, I'm going to again highlight this, okay, and then drag my sizing until it takes over the 2 lines. And then if I come back and just check again to see how that's faring up, okay, it's getting close. So then I would like to centralize that. So I highlight that, and across the top here you've got justification. So if you click your centralize, and then I think I'll just increase the size just a little bit more, and then again come back down to check to make sure that you've got roughly the same spacing, which I think that one does.